Introduce highlight features and quick overview of KizmetKare Heat Press Machine 5-in-1 Heat Press 12x 15-inch Machine 360-degree Swing Away Digital Black Heat Press. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Heat press platen is covered by Teflon, thus helping to prevent you from burning and protecting your vinyl. No need for a separate silicone/Teflon sheet. Thickened silicone pad and sponge pad ensure flatter and even pressing because of their good elasticity. The full range pressure adjustment knob allows better controlled pressure. 360 degrees rotation of arm moves the heating elements safely. Because it can be adjusted according to different items, optimizing the transfer effect and avoiding unexpected accidents. LCDs show time and temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius alternatively, to provide you with precise control of time and temperature. Time control, 0 to 999 seconds, temperature range, 32 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, power, 800 watt. A bigger size t-shirt press machine provides a large surface transfer onto flat surfaced items. It can transfer colorful pictures and characters of sublimating and dissolved printing ink onto ceramics, glasses, and textiles such as cotton, flax, chemical fiber, nylon and more. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.